Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Samantha back here with another little video. Hopefully it's just a little bit of a catch up today. Been away from things for a couple of weeks, so thank you for sticking by me, everybody, and sticking with me. We've had some illness in my very close family, and it's taken my time and my efforts. So hopefully things are a little bit more of an even keel at the moment. So I just thought I would sit down and we'd have a little bit of a catch up. This is my happy place. So my YouTube channel and my beads and my jewelry making and my crafting is where I find my peace. So I thought I would just share it with you. Today, a little bit of a departure from our usual, which is I'm hoping will be a regular occurrence, but I'm very, very honoured and very grateful to the lovely people at Czech Beads Exclusive who have sent me a box of their subscription box, actually, for me to open and share it with you guys. But whilst we're doing that, I thought we'd have a bit of a chat anyway, because I've been away from the loop for a couple of weeks, and I thought we would ease back in gently before we go into doing some more tutorials. So I hope you don't mind. I thought it'd be just nice to have a catch up. So I've been getting this subscription box, which I have paid for out of my own money quite a few times. And in actual fact, this bracelet that I will be doing a tutorial on, my next tutorial, was actually made, an Easter bracelet, these little Easter eggs, was actually made with some beads from the Czech Beads Exclusive subscription box, and I'll be doing a tutorial on that probably next, actually. So my next video after this one will be this, and this came from, I think, the February box. So you get lots and lots and lots and lots of beads in these. Czech beads are just gorgeous, beautiful glass beads. So stand by for this one, which will be coming soon, hopefully. So I've not actually opened this box yet. This is the April box. So I'm going to open it live, and we'll go through it together and see what's in here, shall we? So every month, this is the April box. So every month you get a beautiful array of curated beads. And as you know, if you've been watching me for long enough, you know that I don't like to do this kind of thing unless I am completely on board with the company and their products. And this box was actually gifted to me, for full transparency, but I have in the past spent quite a lot of money with these guys on their subscription box. So, dear crafters, spring is in full bloom, and we're excited to present your beaded spring symphony box, as delicate as tulips and as elegant as pearls. This time you'll find stunning Czech beads in shades of pink, lilac, black and white to bring the magic of spring into your jewellery. Isn't that lovely? So they're from Natalie, Anna and the Kraftika team. Really lovely people, actually. So let's have a look what's in this. Yeah, okay, so that's just a little letter welcoming, and I'm going to put all of the details for this particular box and the Kraftika shop, etc., down in the description box, so that if you see anything you like, then you can go over and have a look, obviously. And again, full transparency, I do have an affiliate link. So if you decided to purchase one of these boxes or sign up to the subscription service, then obviously I do have an affiliate. So we have 26 items in this box, which we will go through. Now, I know there's a couple of other channels that do this kind of unboxing, and this is my first ever unboxing, so bear with me whilst we have a look at all of these. So they come in like a little box, perfectly posted. I think it's $26 a month, but I will double check and put all the information in the box. Okay, so look at these beautiful little faux pearls, gorgeous. So I think what they do is they curate boxes every month, and they sort of put like a theme in. So let's have a look what else we've got. Ooh, the thing about these boxes is I've found, actually purchasing them personally, is you get all sorts of really unusual beads that you wouldn't necessarily get anywhere else. Different shapes and sizes and that kind of thing. Look at those, how cute are those? They're like a pinky, yellowy, sort of pyramid type bead. I'm not an expert in any of these, obviously, but you know, I think because beads are my happy place, I just like to sit down and look at beads. I'm not entirely sure. I think it's possibly one of those situations where it's nice to just, a bit like Scrooge counting his gold coins. I like to just sit and have a play with beads and see what we can make. Oh, look at these. Beautiful. Oh, gosh. Little little sort of pearlized, I think that's like a purple with like a gold wash over the top. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at those, aren't they beautiful? I'm hoping that the camera picks all this up well. They're gorgeous, they are. And I think sitting and relaxing, especially after a difficult couple of weeks, this is completely therapy for me. And what they do is, when you get the box, I believe that each of the samples that you get sent, I think you get like $100 worth, something like that, for $26 a month. And they put a product code on, the product code here. And then if you like the beads specifically, then you can go onto the Kraftika.shop website and put the code in. So if you wanted more, say, of these specific purple ones, then you can just go on and have a look. Gosh, they're really pretty too. They're like a lilac and yellow wash on them. Really, really, really pretty. But they're going to go everywhere, aren't they? I shall have to get one of those little bead trays, I think, if I do this again. But I was just delighted to be approached by the lovely, lovely people they are at Czech Beads Exclusive. Look at these. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I've got lots and lots of things going through my head now as to what to make with these. So I'm not sure. Let's put these in a line here. Oh, now see what I mean about them being unusual beads. You don't often find, okay, so these are top drilled, like little petals. So you could, you know, possibly make a ring or some earrings or something. Yeah, a ring. They give you enough, but not too much, you know, so you get a sample, but they do give you enough to make. I mean, you could use 3 each in an earring, perhaps at the bottom. Actually, I've got some ideas already going for those, which I knew I would when I did this. Like I say, I have not opened this box previous to this unboxing, so you're getting it firsthand, the same as me. Oh, look at those little pear-shaped teardrop beads, like a black and a pink. Beautiful. I'm not the most professional at doing this, but the whole point of this is that we just have a bit of fun and have a look. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, not sure what those are called, but aren't they pretty? Beautiful, beautiful. I think when we go and buy beads, it's nice to just sort of sit and have a think about, you know, what we're going to make with them. And I love the fact, actually, that these are all sort of curated with similar colours in mind, you know, complementary colours, so that all of these will go together. Thinking maybe I might, ooh, look at these. Oh my goodness. Gosh, how cute are those? Absolutely beautiful. Now those would make a beautiful focal for a ring, wouldn't they? Maybe, oh, okay, that's begging for some copper, isn't it, to make it right? Okay, there we go. Or indeed a pair of earrings where you could wrap some seed beads around, you know, like a bit like French beading. They're beautiful. Gosh, they're my favourites so far. What do you think? Beautiful, beautiful. So let me know how you've been getting on, you guys, and how are we all? Difficult couple of weeks for me, but we're back to it. Ooh, look at these. I think they're Czech fire polish beads with like a sort of a bronzy and a black beads, probably with a bit of a wash on them. They're very pretty too. Look at those. Yeah, I'm going to have to definitely get one of those little, what are they called? Those little bead trays to put these back in. But we're getting there, aren't we? Considering I've never done this kind of thing before. Oh, okay, right. Each time I open a little bag, look at these. Aren't they gorgeous? Okay, so they are, yeah, top drilled. Again, like little flower petals. Aren't they beautiful? Oh gosh, I really like those as well. And again, look how brilliant these guys are. They don't sort of give you 3 or 5. Look, they've given you 6 here. So again, you could, you know, use that on the bottom of an earring. I've got some ideas going here. I can see me using this box for my next couple of tutorials. I've already got some ideas floating around in my head. Oh gosh, okay. I knew this was going to happen. Look at these. They're like a beautiful lilac-y colour with a pink wash on them. Oh, knocked it out the park, you guys at Czech Beads Exclusive. How beautiful. Like I say, if you're wanting to go ahead with a subscription to this, I mean, I have a subscription of my own money, because I absolutely love this company and I love their beads. They're extremely good quality and beads that you won't find pretty much anywhere else, I don't think. Look at how beautiful and pink they are, like bubblegum pink, absolutely gorgeous. But anyway, so if you wanted to have a subscription, you literally get a box every single month. I've got quite a few going on. I've got bags and bags of beads that I separate into their different boxes. Like I said, this box here, this bag here, all of these came from the February Valentine's-y type box. They're absolutely gorgeous beads. What else have we got? Again, look, they're very similar to, yeah, very similar shape, probably a different flower, but hey ho, I really like those. Again, you could use those for a pair of earrings. I love the fact that they give you enough to make a pair. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So yes, we've had some illness in the family, so been a bit difficult. You know what it's like? Oh goodness, I keep getting distracted by the beauty of these beads. Oh dear, oh goodness. How beautiful are those as well? Look at those. Absolutely gorgeous beads with sheens on them. Yeah, I love these. Don't you? Aren't they beautiful so far? Look at how gorgeous all of these colours are. Full of the joys of spring. So this is the, what did they call it? The Beaded Spring Symphony box. And boy, are they right. Definitely a lovely symphony of colours. Anyway, so my couple of weeks has been very difficult. But sitting down and making things, isn't it good for your mental health? Look at these beautiful purple ones. Like a mauve, maybe? So sitting down and making things is really good for your mental health. As you know, on my channel, I'm very much about crafting, beading, making beautiful things to aid mental health. And what could be better than just sitting? Oh, look at those. Black with like pink. They almost look like paint splatters. Do you remember in, is it Jackson Pollock maybe? Or, you know, if you're old like me, going back to the 80s, there was a lot of paint splatter type art around, wasn't there? They're really cute, aren't they? I really like those. So there's nothing better, is there, than sitting down and going through your bead stash. Sometimes I will just sit there like a crazy old lady and just take my beads out and have a look at them and then put them back again. I'm sure I'm not the only person that does that, actually. Let's see what else there. Oh, look at these. Again, bubble gum, like little pips. They're brilliant, those. How cute are those? So they're sort of, yeah, 3-sided with the little holes going through the ends. Aren't they beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous colours as well. Beautiful colours. So I'm thinking there's a couple of ring ideas that I've got going on here using these possibly these. Yeah, there's lots and lots of ideas, isn't there? You could, again, some of these little sort of three-sided pip shaped beads again that go with these and these. Yeah, beautiful array, actually. Beautiful array of beads. So, oh gosh, and it still keeps going on. Beautiful pink faux pearls. Look at those. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So tell me in the comments, what would you make with this? Would you make a necklace perhaps? Or would you be like me and make lots of different pieces out of all of these? I think, oops, oh, it comes with some lovely packaging. Oh, look at these. They're almost ice cream-like in colour, aren't they? Same as, same as these guys here, but they have like a beautiful ice cream colour to them. Beautiful glass. No acrylic, absolutely beautiful glass. I can't rate these highly enough, actually, and it's a delight that they've approached me to do an unboxing. So I'm glad you're here with me, just sitting through and having a bit of a gas, and we'll do a bit of faffing with some beads soon. Now I'm feeling a little better. I think my mental health has suffered slightly the past couple of weeks, but you know, it does, doesn't it? We're all human. It's good to, you know, acknowledge when we need a bit of help. And I think when you have things going on in your family life, it's easy to forget yourself. And also, I wanted to say thank you to everyone for your wonderful, very, very, very kind comments on my recent community posts. It's lovely that you're still sticking with me. Right, getting towards the end now. Oh gosh, larger Czech fire polish beads. Look at those. Gosh, so they go with these guys, and these. Gosh, you could make all sorts of things. I hope you give this a go, actually, because I know there's quite a lot of you out there that do have subscription boxes to various, various people, various companies. I've not experienced any other subscription box apart from this one, but I can highly, highly recommend it. And I wouldn't say that on my channel if I didn't believe it. Believe me. Oh, look at these. Little tiny bellflowers. I think that's what they're called. Little tiny bellflowers. And how many do you get? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, a really acceptable amount. And the fact that they give you even numbers if you're making earrings is also awesome. Super. So that's the beads. Look at those. How wonderful are those? Beautiful. And you also get 4 of these bubblegum colour tassels. Again, that goes with everything. I love how beautifully curated these boxes are. So if you're interested, have a look in the description box. I will leave the link to the subscription. Oh, and for pale pink ones too. How beautiful. I will leave a link to the box in the description, and hopefully you'll check them out. I think they're a really good company, and I know that they post worldwide. All right, so there we have it. And meantime, I'm going to be, in a minute, recording the rest of this tutorial for this beautiful little Easter bracelet, which I did use beads from the subscription box also. Okay, little Easter eggs. All right, so I will see you very, very soon. Check out my description for these guys, and I hope to see you very soon, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video where we will be making this cute bracelet. Take it easy, guys, and I'll talk to you soon.